So let's start with chilling our glass. Add plenty of ice. Give it a quick stir. And when you feel the glass is chilled, let it rest. Take your mixing glass. Add 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of bitter. Add 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of vermouth. And same thing with your gin. 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of dry gin. Add some ice. Give it a quick stir. 15 to 25 seconds, it will be ready. Throw the ice away and make sure there's no water inside the glass. Pour the Negroni inside the glass, gently and slowly. And then add ice. Garnish it with an orange slice. And finish it off with a lemon peel. Make sure you spray the essence oil on top of the glass. Just go through the border. And there's a Negroni. Enjoy. Cheers.